Hello everyone, welcome back to my series of videos where I solve all of LeetCode's problems using Python, starting with the easy ones and going to the hard ones. Easy ones first. I'm uploading the previous video, so I'm just doing another one. Length of the last word. Sounds poetic. So, length of the last word. Given a string S consisting of words and spaces, return the length of the last word in the string. A word is a maximal substring consisting of a non-space characters only. So yeah, this is a word. 5. Fly me to the moon. Last word is moon. This with length 4. Well, I guess this is pretty simple. So make directory 58 line last word. Code 58. Solution.py. Okay, let's just do a search. Solution dot length of last word. Start with this. Equals 4. So now, one easy way to do this with Python is using the strip function that returns the same string without any white spaces in the end. And then you split by white space, and then you return the last element. So length of the last element, and you just return it. I think with one line we can solve this. Yeah, okay, so it passed the assert, so let me just submit this. Okay, good. Done. I really want to know how long it took till I got here. I'm not like timing. I can't see how much time it took me to do it. But yeah, this is one liner. Beats 77%, beats 44. Let's just submit again and see if for some reason it's faster. Yeah, okay. It beats 89, beats 77. I'm gonna stop. Really, I'm gonna stop. The way I would do it is I would iterate over the the characters. I can even do it just to be quick. So counter is an integer that starts with 0. So and for s in for char and s, if char equals is not, if the char is not a white space, then the counter goes up, else counter goes up, but if I want to see what's behind it. In enumerate. If char index, so if this is bigger than 0, then if char index, if s of char index minus 1, I don't think, we don't even need to do is this because it will have the Boolean value false. No, actually it is. If it's a white space before, we want to reset the counter. That's it. And now return counter. Yeah, that is doesn't work. Just use different. Hey, it works. So let me submit this and see how good it does. Okay, so it also works. So I feel like I didn't cheat. Yeah, that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Quick one.